So to do this lens, it's going to be very simple. We're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver on the 4 mounting bolts. And grab onto that lens, remove it from the housing. Get a little squeeze tab here, give it a squeeze, and then twist the unit. Same thing here. Awesome. Get our new lens. Let's get our little tabs lined up and then turn it right in. It should lock in. Same thing here. Heard the click. Line it up. Oh yeah, that looks great. Let's get our screws in. Okay, now I'm just going to snug them up. Beautiful. All right, let's test them. Nice.